single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Halo teman-teman, ketemu lagi di Ana Hidden Channel. Hari ini aku mau prank bojoku dengan eyebrow ini. Padahal planningnya aku tuh pengen seperti ini. Jadi bikin bener-bener aku ngakak abis. Pokoknya simak videonya ya sampai habis. Halo guys, kembali lagi di channelnya Ana Hayden. Kali ini aku mau bikin eyebrow tutorial ya buat suamiku. Jadi nanti aku kasih lihat ya. Karena ini sebenarnya mau ngerjain tapi dia nggak tahu. Aku mau bikin eyebrow tutorial di video ini. Jadi stay tune ya. Ini padahal aku mau ngerjain jadi dia nggak tahu. Diam-diam aja. Okay, so look a bit closer.
Like this?
No, I can just adjust this.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, you have so cold hands.
Okay. First, brush.
Make me fab.
I think can see. Okay, I will adjust. Okay. A bit like this. Don't move. Okay, so aku dari sebelah sini ya guys ya. Don't move, later it cannot see.
Yeah, but when you are
It's okay,
in
it's
the way, no one can see it.
Jadi seperti ini. Tadi aku sikat ya. Don't move.
I don't
Don't
move.
move.
I'm like a stone.
Don't open your eyes. Oke, seperti ini. Kita pelan-pelan jadi bikin ada wings kayak gitu ya. Seperti ini. Juga ini bagian bawah.
I don't move. You're laughing.
Okay.
I'm completely serious.
Seperti ini. Oke, habis itu kita di brush ya. Nah, seperti ini.
I don't move.
Oke. Untuk yang satunya lagi ya. Jadi ini aku pakai pensil Silky Girl from by Sasa. Jadi kalian bisa ini ya. I'm sorry. I love you.
Ich dich auch. But what's so funny? I don't do anything.
I still thinking something this in the morning.
Like what?
I don't know. Okay. Jadi we fill in the eyebrow something like this. Sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear viewers, I don't know why my wife is laughing so hard. Please mention in the comment why. Is it about me? I don't wear my glasses. I have my eyes closed. I don't know what's going on.
Please don't say. I'm crying right now.
There's no reason to be sad.
Okay. This is joy tears.
Okay, there's reason to be happy.
Oh, don't move.
I don't move.
You lift up your eyebrow. It's make. Okay, genok. Don't lift like that. Lift up. Oh, babe. I cannot hold. I cannot hold my.
What the hell?
I'm crying now. Okay. Oke. Ya ini kita brush seperti ini ya. Brush.
I really don't know what's going on here, but I suppose she's making something fun with me.
No, I don't think so. Okay, so
Maybe the viewers think so.
you still close your eyes, okay?
Yeah.
Jadi
That's not fair.
seperti ini ya. This is eyebrow tutorial for
You're messing up with me, huh?
No. Okay, so actually use the dark brown. Jadi coklat tua ya, dark brown. So you can get this pencil liner from any store. Let's say, yeah, there's a Silky Girl, Maybelline or something. You can use your own as well. Okay, so you can open your eyes. And I think I will take the mirror. I will get a mirror, so let's see my husband see very
She messed up with me.
fabulous eyebrow. Okay, tunggu sebentar ya.
I really don't know what's going on here. She just mentioned, I want to make a video with you. Okay. Quick. I look like a clown.
Okay, do you still love me? Do you still love me?
I tell you tomorrow.
Give me. Okay.
Was that the last kiss of us?
9.
See
Okay.
that in the next episode of...
Okay, so biar dia lihat ya. I think maybe you should remove this.
Yeah, so I don't see what's going on.
I will let you see in the close. Okay.
You know how blind I am.
Ready?
Of course.
1, 2, 3.
Oh. Pissed off.
Do you like eyebrow? Do you like your eyebrow? Oh my god, I'm crying now. This is actually from the morning I've been thinking of. I love you.
There you go.
Okay, you wear your glasses.
Oh. What's that even supposed to be?
Listen. guys.
If someone is commenting something not nice, you are just jealous of lizard eyebrows.
Oh yeah, this the most gorgeous, fabulous eyebrow ever in 2020. Okay.
After Corona, this is be the next trend. Trust us.
This will be really famous in the next few hours maybe, and I hope you really like that. And what's your comment? You can leave the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe,
You better do.
like, and comment. Don't forget to click the notification bell.
Ding dong.
And see you the next video.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.